Let's do unboxing. Ito munang maliit. Ano kaya ito? Maliit na ito. May akong in-order. This way. Ayan. Let's continue. Gawa ng sarili kong kuko. Meron akong another collection. Ano to? Yan natin. Maliit pala to. Beatles. What is this Beatles? Sisira naman yung kuko ko eh. There you go. Oh my god, too tiny. You know what's this one?
What is it?
Too tiny. Yung if you're doing your nail to dry one nail only. Let's say if your nail have chips and then you have to do it on the gel nail. So this one. Oh no, oh here. USB-C. Tapos wala ka pang pangsaksak. Asan ang yung pangsaksak? Sakain naman ng mga tao. Hindi man lang magbigay ng free. Too small. So, ayan. Ganyan. Pag yung nasira yung isa mong ano kaya ito, mag-work sa mong, kasi nga meron akong pang UV nail lamp. Malaki. Eh, pag minsan nag-chips yung ano, I need to cure it here. Nail in, light on. Oh, automatic. Automatic siya. Pag nilagay mo daw yung nail mo doon, magla-light on siya. Okay. That's one box. It's only $15. Let's see if it's worth it, that $15. Alright. Next. No, I need to make it stand. Next one. Good. Oh, holy battery of ng mga watches, ng relo, ng watch. Battery of the watch. This one. This worth $10. If you go to the mall, you ask the battery, $10 each, right?
20.
Oh, 20. Since this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 battery, $10.
It's hard to open the watch.
Let's see later. And nails. Press on nails. So I'm not gonna paint my nails anymore, just press on. Next but not the least, battery. Yay! Look at this. For my lab, we're using the other one. There's another one here. We're using the other one, but it's not really old already. So this is a shaver. I'm the one who's doing his shaving. So I bought a new one so it's easy for me. The other one is kinda mapurol na. Alam mo ba yung mapurol na? Hindi na siya sharp. Ano ba yan? This is the one. Look. It's kinda similar doon sa ano, sa old niya. Natin tuloy yung ulo ko sa inyo. Tapos meron siyang, lab, there's a what is this? Trimmer. You got it. Trimmer. Yeah. So I have a trimmer na separate. Kaya lang battery operated siya. Parang twice ko lang gagamitin. Ubos na yung battery niya. The battery is gone. So this one, I need to keep all the papers because let's see if it's working or not. So this is the wire. Rechargeable din siya. And then this is the cover. And oh, meron siyang stand. To here like this stand. So let's see later. I have to try it. This is the stand like that. Expensive, but let's see.
What's the brand?
Huh?
What's the brand?
Philips. But I think it's worth it. Let's see if the money is and then if you guys noticed earlier, there's a battery ng watch. Baka gusto nyong magpapalagay ng battery ng watch. I can do it now. No need to go to the shop. Come here. Let me know if you want. If you want your watch your watch need a battery. Yeah, here I can do it. I have tools now. All my watches need a battery. So
Your watches will need battery.
yeah, I have one, the Gucci,
That's gonna be impossible to open.
and then
When I talked to the guy at the bay, he said those little watches
let's
are,
see. You know me, I can do everything.
he said there's a big risk of scratching the back trying to open it.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's see, lab.
You need special equipment. Like there's a little bench. You put the watch in there, you secure the watch, and then you have to tap it.
Okay, guys. If thank you for watching. If you need to change your battery, your watch, you need the battery, come over here and I have a new business again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so you will be notified on my next video. Bye guys! Bye! See you next time! Itatry ko na yung trimmer ni Sir Carlos kasi if it's not working, I have to send it back because it's kind of pricey. I need to try it if it's working or not. Bye again! Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all.